urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Huron County, northwestern Richland County, Erie County, southwestern Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northern Ashland County, Lorain County, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles east of Kelly's Island to 7 miles west of New London to near Shelby, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorain, Elyria, Medina, Sandusky, Norwalk, Vermilion, Western Vermilion, Parma, Lakewood, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, Amherst, Shelby, Grafton, and Willard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, Lorain, Medina, and Richland.